Ryan, your silly reviews, you can get air duster from Dollar Tree. You know Dollar Tree, right? That's right. You can get a can of compressed air. Now, it is small, but for $1.25, if you have a couple little jobs to do, this
God.
Home Bright compressed gas, compressed air duster, as we all know it, can get the job done. 2 ounces is the net weight, 57 grams. Again, not a whole lot, $1.25. You use it, quick job like I'm doing on this mechanical keyboard, and you're done. It's just that easy. It works. I pop the top off all these keys, and I got to get down in there, and you got to clean it, because if you don't maintain your keyboard, it starts repeating the S and the R and the T and all those popular buttons that you press on your keyboard. I shook it up. I sprayed it. I don't think it was as powerful of a jet of air as the name brand, but I think it's pretty darn good enough. So for the price, the convenience, I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
By the time '09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about